Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the good Gensler token. Ticker symbol is GENSLR. Now this token just got listed yesterday on CoinMarketCap, and I've slowly seen it start going to the moon, because yesterday when I saw it get listed, it was up like say 80%, then it shot down to like 60%. So it was doing well yesterday, and then at nighttime, I had a look at it before I went to bed. It was up like 500%, and now it is up 1,156.14%, doing amazing. There is a big warning at the top of the CoinMarketCap page here that we're going to go over here as well. So it could be up for bad reasons, or it could be up for good reasons. I'm not sure, but we're going to go over the information on this token here and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, right off the bat, let's have a look at this warning here. There is a big warning. Even though this token, right now it's up 1,239%, just going insane today. There's a huge warning here. It says, according to Gopless Labs, the smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, or mint new tokens. Please exercise caution before taking any action and do your own research. So, if they disable selling, that could create a honeypot, and that could be a reason why the token is pumping so hard right now, because people buy and then they can't sell. So just be aware of that. This could be up for negative reasons, so it's a good idea to see what people are saying about this token, if they can sell the token or not. Like again, it just went up again. It's up 1,300.84% right now. 1,300% in the green right now. So it could be for bad reasons. So when you see a green chart, it doesn't always mean that this token is doing amazing. Now, obviously, Gary Gensler is a very popular meme right now in the crypto space. I just did a short video on Gary Gensler. It was big news that he was I think he's the SEC chair, but he wasn't on the stand, but he was at a he was in a conference or meeting, whatever you want to call it, and he refused to answer if Ethereum was a security or a commodity. So that's why he was in the news. And then somebody was trying to get him fired or removed. So yeah, there was a lot of news about him recently, and so now we have the good Gensler token. So that's where this meme comes from, is the SEC chair, Gary Gensler. And so this is based off of him, a meme token. But yes, just thoroughly be aware of that warning. Now we can look at the discussion section, or the comment section on here. And it's all, well, there's some comments saying it's a scam, and there's some comments, most of them are bullish. And then there's 2 comments saying that it's a scam, but I have, again, you have no idea unless some people, leave a comment down there if you've actually bought or sold this token and you know what's up. So that will help people out. That's what this channel is all about, information, community, this and that. This is not promotion in any form. This is just information. So help each other out if you have experience with this token. Now, right now they have 1,683 tokens. Like I said, they just got listed, 1,683 holders. They just got listed yesterday on CoinMarketCap, so they're off to a decent start with holders. 18 decimal places on this token. And of course, the total supply of this token is 420 trillion tokens. That's a very memeable number right there. Now their Twitter 391 tweets, and they just joined in April 2023. Serious amount of tweets, so they're very active on Twitter. 1,641 followers. Their official webpage is goodgg.vip. So it says ETH is not a security, and Gary is pro-meme coins, like the Gensler token. Now, obviously, I'm sure Gary has not specifically endorsed this token, so just be aware of that. This is not from him. Now, there is a DEX screener chart on their pinned tweet here that you could check out. I'll take you to dexscreener.com. So you can buy this token off of DEX Screener, it says. But also on CoinMarketCap, it says you can buy this token off of Uniswap. So basically all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. Go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Gensler token using the contract address that you could find on their Etherscan, CoinMarketCap webpage. You can find it all over. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, and just be aware there's going to be a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. You can also get it off DEX Screener in the almost the exact same way. So Good Gary Gensler is the founder of the Intergalactic Crypto Defense League, ICDL, and a champion of crypto, and that's why he's got that cape on in the thumbnail of this video. When the ICDL headquarters received an urgent call that the Galactic Banksters and the FUD, the FUD spreaders, were planning to destroy the crypto universe for fear, uncertainty, and doubt, Good Gensler Gary knew that he had to act fast. Obviously, this is a meme coin. With his sidekick, Satoshi and Shiba Inu, they set out on their mission to save the crypto world in their spaceship, the Coin Collector. They encountered an asteroid field made up of obsolete physical currency, which they dodged with ease, and upon reaching the enemy base, Good Gary found with his sword of 1,000 tokens, he incinerated the enemy's lives with Satoshi's fiery breath. When he faced the fearsome leader of the Galactic Banksters, he realized that Lord FOMO was nothing but a hologram. He struck his sword into the ground, and a surge of positive energy destroyed the hologram and shattered the footing. The Galactic Banksters fled, and the crypto world rejoiced. Good Gary knew that there were still realities in the multiverse where cryptocurrencies were under threat, especially from his doppelganger, the Earth Gary Gensler. So this has nothing to do with the real Gary Gensler. This is superhero Gary. Good Gary created the Gensler coin, an all-powerful cryptocurrency that was immune to flooding. When Earth Gary summoned a team of bureaucratic banshees to challenge the Gensler coin, Good Gary confronted him, armed with the power of the Gensler coin and the unyielding support of the crypto enthusiasts across dimensions. The ultimate showdown. Good Gary emerged victorious, championing the cause of cryptocurrencies and proving that the true spirit of innovation and decentralization would always triumph. So, there's the story. Anyways, good times. Their roadmap is on here. So they launched the token. Then they're going to do some like TikTok, billboard marketing, meme warfare. Then they're going to be listed on top multiverse exchanges. So even their roadmap is very memed out. Now, obviously, these are, I mean, you could go over this roadmap yourself, but it's just memes. So it's all talking about, you know, holograms of Elon Musk, grocery stores, psychic cats, you know, like, it's not real. But they are going to be, hopefully, trying to do some stuff in the future, like be listed on central exchanges or whatever. Looks like it says NFT series. I could see that on here. So they might have Good Gary NFTs come out in the future. It's going to be meme utility anyways. So it says liquidity 90%, 5% goes to central exchanges, and 5% for whatever Good Gary wants. No taxes, so very simple. You most likely will not have to set slippage. And yeah, join their socials to you know, check out the memes, learn updates, things like that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Good Gary? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.